a very fun shooter. So, how you make it is get this hard tube. Get this hard tube and then get two popsicle sticks and then stick it with some string or like rubber band to the hard tube. So then these are my bullets. So just fold. How to make the bullets is fold some teeny pieces of paper and then just stick it into the rubber band. So and before that, stick some rubber bands in the popsicle sticker. Now let's show you. This is my favorite bullet. See? So that's how you do it. So this is how it works. So this is very fun to play with. You do try this in your home. It's a very fun project. So I'm gonna shoot you. Here's the bullet. It went over, but subscribe to my video and don't forget to press the bell button down below. And don't forget, Santho Spot is all about inspiring you. Bye! Catch! This is another one. Whoa! That's a lot. This is another one. I'm taking another. Okay. Wait, now let's give it to you.